The General Manager Full Service Hotel Case Simulation Project is an extensive 6 to 7 hour simulation that will challenge students to juggle all of the many tasks faced by a successful hotel executive. Students must make multiple decisions as they learn the fine art of balancing competing priorities, such as staffing for guest satisfaction, while also keeping wages in line for profits. Students quickly learn to balance how decisions in one area will impact the hotel operation in other areas. In the learning phase, students work on a practice hotel identical to the Hotel 3000 that they will manage in the challenge phase. Taking charge of the practice hotel, students must conduct all the research and take action to successfully rebrand and reposition a full-service hotel. Students begin by reviewing market data and research to determine the type of travelers the hotel should cater to. Once their market research and positioning for the hotel is decided, students begin an extensive process of managing the hotel for success, including setting competitive room rates, marketing the hotel, public relations, staffing the hotel's front desk, and much, much more. In the challenge phase, students are in charge of transforming the old Grossman's Hotel into the new Hotel 3000 with a new focus and strategy. Students work an average of 6 to 7 hours on this extensive simulation that tests everything they've learned about the complex task of managing all aspects of a busy, successful hotel. Room rates, marketing, group sales, banquets, front desk staffing, guest policies, and much, much more. To succeed, students must meet a specific balanced scorecard goal. Case simulations put your students in charge of all the management tasks faced by a hotel manager. The General Manager Full Service Hotel Case Simulation Project drops your students into the complex task of managing a hotel. Learning to make hotel management decisions via General Manager Full Service Hotel will benefit your students throughout their hotel management careers.